feel blessed. I'm very grateful that I got the opportunities that I did, and I'm thankful. Yeah.
Okay, so it's been like 1.5 year Vidya gone off air, and
Yeah.
there are lots of fans want you to come back in any show or OTT platforms or a music. So what do you want to tell your fans out there?
I just want to say first of all that thank you that you all really wish for me to come back soon on TV and or on screen, OTT or whatever, and I equally want that. But having said that, I was a little unwell this past year, and it took me some time to come back into getting back into the groove and everything. So now that I am very, I would say focused, and hopefully you will see me soon on screen. Yeah.
Okay, so talking about your journey, you started from Sasural Simarka,
Yeah.
and then it's been a long journey.
Yeah.
So tell us something about your first struggle, how you got the role in Sasural Simarka, and how long it took you to get into this role.
Okay. I used to give a lot of auditions, but I wouldn't say that I have a struggle because ऐसा नहीं था. I used to give auditions and I would be like, okay, I'll give this much amount of time to myself because I was quite new at that time in Mumbai और मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था, लोग नहीं पता थे, तो I used to जहाँ भी audition का पता चलता था मैं जाके देख के आती थी. So my part in Sasural Simarka, nobody actually knows about it also because it was a 2 day thing. इतना established भी नहीं हुआ था कि मैं थी उसमें. But from there, I think एक महीने के अंदर अंदर only I had given an audition for Dilli Wali Thakur Girls, and it was quite instant. Last minute I got locked for it, and I still remember सबसे पहले जैसे ही उनको confirmation मिला था वो लोग मुझे लेके गए थे एक salon में मेरे बाल रंगने के लिए, and they colored my hair red. So that was that. I wouldn't say that I have seen hardships. I have been very blessed that way, touch wood. But then I have also worked hard to, in all the roles that I have played, and I have given my best and my 100% to it.
Okay, so talking about the most popular show Udaan, and your
Yeah.
character Choco has done some magnificent role. And so कैसा लगता है जब आपको ये सारे कमेंट्स मिलते हैं और जब लोग बोलते हैं हम चकोर को काफी मिस कर रहे हैं एंड पीपल नोज यू फ्रॉम चकोर.
Yeah.
सो उस कैरेक्टर के बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे?
ऑनेस्टली कहूँ जैसे हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स होते हैं ना लाइफ में कि ब्रेकअप हो गया या एक रिलेशनशिप खत्म हो गया एंड यू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम इट बट चकोर इज समथिंग दैट इज रियली क्लोज टू माई हार्ट एंड I am really thankful to God and to the makers for selecting me for the part because that character gave me everything that I have today. Um, I learned a lot. I grew a lot in that character. So I think पता नहीं मैं दुनिया का कोई भी कैरेक्टर कर लूँगी but I will always feel this attachment towards Chakor and I feel very special when people call me अरे ये चकोर है अरे ये चकोर है तो that makes me feel very special.
Okay, so what is the two thing you miss about Chakor?
Two things. I getting to do the action sequences that I used to do. वो बहुत मज़ा आता था मुझे जब action sequences आते थे. So that was one thing. और the other thing that I miss being Chakor. About Chakor. I think जो चकोर के वो मोर्चा नारे वाले सीन्स होते थे ना जहाँ वो सबको ऐसे मोटिवेट करती थी नहीं हमें लड़ना है और ये सब तो that used to be fun. Other than that, obviously the nok joke and the romance and all of that. So that was everything about Chakor is something I miss. So yeah.
And the two things that you have learned from Chakor, Chakor character.
One is to never give up. Although I had a very similar attitude in life, but I think जैसे वो कैरेक्टर कभी हार नहीं मानता था ना कभी छोड़ता नहीं था I think that is something that I learned from her. And the other thing is being yourself, you can take care of others also, and it is humanly possible. लोग कहते हैं ना कि अपने आप को पहले रखो, या इस तरह से दुनिया चलती है जैसे. Chakor was not like that. She would keep others first and herself second, and that is something that has, you know, gotten in me, and yeah, so I've learned that from her.
ओके सो 1.5 साल पूरे हो गए विद्या को ऑफेयर जाते हुए.
Yeah.
सो ऐसे क्या क्या कमेंट्स आते हैं आपको, लाइक पीपल वांट्स टू सी यू, सो ऐसे कुछ तो कमेंट्स आते रहेंगे, रिस्पॉन्सेज आते रहेंगे आपके फैमिली से, फ्रेंड्स से, क्या रिस्पॉन्स आते हैं?
Well, the only response I've been getting is that they want to see me back on screen soon, because बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, unfortunate तरीके से विद्या went off air. We didn't even get to shoot a last episode for it. So I was just speaking to Namish a few days back, and he was also saying कि काश यार विद्या चल रहा होता. So yeah, that's something that I also feel. And but ठीक है, I think God has his own will, and they test us in different ways.
Okay, so talking about Chakor co-star Vijender sir, you and Vijender sir, it's been a good chemistry. हम देखते हैं आपके पिक्चर्स आते हैं सोशल मीडिया में, काफी
Yeah.
ज्यादा आप पिक्चर्स तभी भी शेयर करते थे. So आप किस तरह से विजेंद्र सर को मिस करते हो एज अ co-star?
Miss क्या करना है, but it was amazing working with him. He was a really good co-actor, and we had a lot of fun, all of us together actually. अभी मेरे बर्थडे पे हम सब मिले थे वापस से, and everyone was talking about all the fun times we used to have. हमारा लंच ब्रेक होता था, वो सबसे बेस्ट टाइम होता था, बिकॉज सब लोग, मतलब माई, बापू, साई सर, विजय, पारस, विधि, श्रेष्ठ, हम सब, इतना सा रूम होता था और उसमें हम सब बैठ के खाना खाते थे, सबके डब्बे खुलते थे. सो दैट यूज टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन. एंड हैविंग सेड दैट, आई थिंक आई एम ग्लैड कि मेरा पहला शो एज अ प्रोटैगनिस्ट, एंड आई हैड विजेंद्र एज माई को एक्टर, बिकॉज he is a very good co-actor. You get to learn a lot from him, and he was kind enough to, you know, कुछ ना आता हुआ co-actor के साथ काम करके आप उनके साथ, you know, you bear with them and you work with them. So yeah.
Okay, so talking about the last 3 years, there is so many articles coming out. Like this year, ma'am will come in Big Boss show. This year, ma'am will come in Big
Yeah.
Boss show. Would you like to say something about those articles?
I was supposed to, I mean, I was in talks and it was supposed to work out for me, but it didn't. Firstly, there were health reasons, and secondly, I was in some other commitment, which is why I could not go. So yeah, hopefully next year.
Okay, so next year, if you get chance to go inside that house, so will you go?
Definitely, I will consider it, because I was considering it this year. So I wouldn't say कि नहीं नहीं, Big Boss is not something I want to do, don't want to do or something. I will definitely, you know, consider. उस time पे, I hopefully if I'm free, I'll definitely do Big Boss.
Okay, so talking about Big Boss 15, are you watching it?
A few episodes. I don't miss Weekend Ka Wars, because that's when Salman Khan bajaus everyone, and that's the most fun to watch. So I watch on and off, on and off.
Okay, so if you like to say something about the ongoing Big Boss, there are so many contestants. So if you want to pick few contestants, say something about it, what it will be?
Rakhi Sawant is the most entertaining one.
Yeah.
वो तो हर season में she is like the most entertaining one. And I had high expectations from Tejaswi and Karan Kundra. And of lately, मतलब last 1-2 weeks से तो I think the things have gotten better, but उसके पहले it was quite okay only. So yeah.
Okay, so Christmas is also coming up, then New Year is coming up. So what are your plans for Christmas and New Year?
My plans for Christmas and New Year's is घर पे रहना, और बिल्कुल बाहर ना जाना, और बिल्कुल ग्रुप्स में नहीं जाना. जो भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके साथ मैं सेलिब्रेट करूँगी, वो घर पे आएंगे, and I will have a fun and gala time.
Okay, so how you are looking forward for 2022?
अब my fingers are crossed for 2022, क्योंकि अभी ये नया वेरिएंट आ गया है, तो I really hope कि हम सब इससे सेफ रहे, and इससे ज़्यादा अब चीज़ें ना बढ़े कोविड के टर्म्स में अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो. और आई जस्ट होप दैट आई ग्रो एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग इन दिस न्यू ईयर and I do something really amazing and we'll back on the screen.
Okay, so lastly, what do you want to tell your fans out there?
Well, I want to thank them first of all for really praying for me, hoping for me to be back on screen and loving me so much. I feel blessed and thank you. Dil se thank you and please अपना ध्यान रखिए and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.